Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to quick and easily turn your phone into a scanner. First, let's go into Notes. Then you will select the pencil in the bottom right hand corner to create a new note. Then select plus. Then from there, you'll select Scan Documents. And there you see it says position the document in view. You simply take a pic. Then you select Keep Scan. That's it. Then press Save in the bottom right hand corner. And that's it. You can see that the document has been scanned. Now if you like, you can simply press the arrow in the top right hand corner and then you can share it. You could email it to someone, or you can WhatsApp them it, or you can turn it into a PDF file if you'd like also. Press down. That's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.